Market. Everything you need right around the corner.
Bottom of the first inning, and I think they just Bader. They say strike one on Bader, who swings and misses. And if a hamstring injury is what he's rehabbing, the pitch, a swing and a miss, and that was an off-speed pitch from Yu-Min Lin away, and Harrison Bader strikes out on two pitches. Again, he fell behind 0-1 on a pace of play violation. Change up away from Yu-Min Lin. Apologies for the lack of audio in that top of the first inning. Some technical difficulties we got squared away. Zach Bayruti, great to have you with us from Sutter Health Park. The third baseman, Lou James Groover, is even with the bag as the first pitch taken for a called strike. And Carlos Santana, Christian Serta behind the plate, and on the mound, left-hander Yu-Min Lin. And that pitch misses, but is being challenged by Serta. So Serta deploying a challenge here early. And now the verdict, it was a strike. And by an entire baseball, pretty much the entire baseball was in the zone. So Reno, beg your pardon, here's the 0-2 on the way. And a swing and a foul ball lifted out of play off to a great start, batting .282. The pitch, a swing and a ground ball to the hole, the left side, lunging, stop by Groover. Throw to first is not in time, and Groover fell down while he was trying to throw. 7 games, has a home run and 14 runs batted in. Takes that as the days grow longer here. The 1-0, a swing and a fly ball to straightaway center field. Waldschmidt adjusts a couple of steps to his left, and he makes the catch. So Barracoto in from the right side, the infield all back. The first baseman holds the runner on there as a swing and a foul back for strike one. 23 starts. This is 7th start of 2026. That pitch is outside. Pitch coming, and a swing and a little tapper third base line is going to be taken by Lin. Has a long throw to first, and he gets it there in time to get Barracoto. Good job by Yu-Min Lin. Calmly got to that. Great numbers lifetime against Yu-Min Lin. Will lead it off here, and he swings to the first pitch and taps it right back to Lin, who comes off the front slope of the mound to get it. And then throws to first to get McRae, and on one pitch, there's one out in the bottom of the second. There are defensive changes here, so Ryan Waldschmidt will come out of the game. Waldschmidt, who was hit in the helmet by Seymour to start the game. And Rojas. Pitch is taken for a call. There's a swing and a fly ball to shallow center field. So shallow that the shortstop, Amaya, will go out just maybe. Walters will bat in the spot previously occupied by Waldschmidt, the leadoff spot. The pitch is taken for a called side. And the 0-1 is a breaking ball missing off the outside. Game mixed in there as well, the 1-1. And Logan takes down and in. 2 balls and a strike. Porter. Here's the 2-1. And it is a strike. That one finds the inside corner. Sweeper there from Yu-Min Lin. Like those caps a lot. This is a great Copa look here for the River Cats. Big fan. 2 balls and 2 strikes. And the pitch coming is swung on and foul tipped, squeezed by the catcher Serta, and a strikeout. Thomas Gavello leads it off for the River Cats, lefty to lefty. Not a soft contact. Here's the 0-1. And Gavello takes in tight. Another 2. 1-1 is down and away. 2 balls and a strike. Lefty-lefty. Lin throws, and Gavello swings and bounces that weakly foul. Yu-Min Lin, the Taiwanese left-hander, fires, and Gavello swings and bounces that weakly foul. The pitch from Lin, a swing and a fly ball to right. Drifting to his right is Christian Robinson. Now he's angled back, and he reaches up and makes the catch just as he got to the wall. That ball. And the pitch coming, and it is a strike from Lin. The 0-1, a swing and a miss, change up away, and a good one there. Here's the 0-2, and a swing and a foul at the plate. The 0-2 pitch, a swing and a chopper to short. It's going to be taken on the second bounce by Amaya. He throws with a jump to first in time to get Basabe. 2, and a pitch on the way is taken off the outside. Ball 1. Bader scheduled to. Here's the 1-0 rather, and it's outside. And 2 balls and no strikes. Drafted in the 3rd round by the Cardinals in 2015. He swings and rips this one through the 5-6 hole into left field, and a base hit. So Harrison Bader has the second River Cats hit of the night. And a single blasted through the Santana. And the pitch is up high to Furman. 1-0, A swing and a chop foul over by the first base camera. 1-1. A swing and a flare, shallow right over the glove of the leaping second baseman Walters into right field. And a base hit for Furman, who's 2 for 2. Yumin Lin delivers, and Buddy Kennedy takes a breaking ball. Free agent December of 2021 out of Taiwan as Kennedy swings and grounds one to deep third, but a foul ball. The 1-1. A swing and a miss. Good changeup from Lin, and that's a pitch that's been working for him. The pitch is down and in. That was a sweeper, and Kennedy passed on it. Plus 2 strikes. The pitch, and it's up and away. This is the second career outing. 3-2. Runners go, and it is going to miss inside, and too late to challenge. Serta was thinking about it. Had his finger on the trigger there. He had his hand up by his helmet, but never tapped the top of it. Here's the pitch, and it's a breaking ball. No score. The pitch. Barracoto swings and pops it up to right. This should get Lin out of the inning. Christian Robinson is there, and Robinson, adjusting with the breeze to his right, makes the catch, and that does end the inning. So
I could get used to this. Burgers deserve Pepsi.
The season between the River Cats and the Aces, regional rivals, a swing and a fly ball lifted off to the left high last half inning. Here's the 0-2, and McRae swings and fouls this one back to the left. To McRae, followed by Jay Colton and Logan Porter. The pitch is swung on and fouled again off to the left. 17 RBIs, and the 0-2. A swing and a foul again to the left. So McRae, here's the 0-2. A swing and a tapper foul this time, first base. 2-strike pitch again. McRae takes just wide. Good eye there. Here's the 1-2. And McRae takes a breaking ball for strike 3. He cocks his head but will not challenge. And he'll take a walk back to the third base dugout. So after a battle there from McRae, Colton popped to short his first time up, and he takes that pitch just wide. The 1-0, and a swing and a tapper. 1-1 is outside, and now 2 balls and a stop of the 8th to tie that game. Here's the 2-1, and it's up and away, 3-1. Boy, that El Paso pitching staff. 3-1. Is outside. It's going to be challenged here by Serta. So will it be a walk or will it be 3-2? It will be 3-2 as that one just clipped the outside edge. So the Aces retain both challenges. 3-2, and it's strike 3 called. That was right down the middle. So Jay Colton strikes out looking, and back-to-back Ks for Yumin Lin, who now has 4 strikeouts, half of which have come to start this 4th inning. And Logan Porter coming up next. Aviators, that game in the bottom of the 2nd. Here's the pitch, and a breaking ball spun in for a strike by 0-1. A swing and a miss, and now 0-2. Back-to-back wins for the Bees. Here's the 0-2. And a swing and a fly ball served out to left center field. It's going to be Tommy Troy or Anderson Rojas. It'll be Rojas, the center fielder, making the catch. Either one could.
Resort Casino.
Thomas Gavello. The 0-1. And Gavello swings and misses. That was 0-2. Inside. That was a curveball. The 1-2. A swing and a miss. Gavello strikes out on a changeup, an elevated changeup. And for Yumin Lin, that is his 5th strikeout of the night. He continues to impress. Here's the pitch, and it's up and away, ball 1. River Cats to April, and now Bryce Eldridge, Jesus Rodriguez here to start May. That pitch is inside, and it's 2-0, but that day 2-0 is outside. 3 balls and no strike. The 3-0. Sabe takes a strike, taking all the way. Side of that, they've had only 1 base runner. The pitch, a swing and a foul, lifted out of play, off to the right into the seats. River Cats had in base side of the slab. He kicks and throws, and a swing and a miss, and a changeup gets Oslevis Basabe, and that's the 6th strikeout for Yumin Lin. And that changeup has been very effective for him today. On rehab, Bader is 1 for 2 tonight, and he takes outside for ball 1. So 1 more strikeout for Yumin Lin would match his season high with the River Cats. Here's the 1-0, and it's outside. 2-0 is outside, and now 3 balls and no strikes. Coming back to strike him out Pitch, a swing and a pop-up. Bader swinging on 3-0, lifts it first base foul territory. Santana by the sidewall will make the catch. Looked like that ball came back toward the field. Looks like it was headed for the seats. Carlos Santana